You know, people that don't do YouTube don't know how hard it is to be a creator. If it wasn't for humor, you'd go nuts. Take a look at what I mean. Today, I've got Neil Messick.
Has to be insured sorry. So K-Takis Kubota's financing insurance product. So you know we do these things and nobody ever sees them.
My son Adam and I purchased 17 and a half acres.
I forgot what the question was.
Yes.
I use a post hole digger a bunch, a post auger, to dig holes for posts and burying dead dogs.